Shiba holders, welcome back to another video, guys. And this video is very important for all Shiba Inu holders, guys. So, guys, never miss any second of this video. And really, if you want to profit from Shiba Inu, so you have to watch this video complete for better understanding, guys. Anyways, guys, let's start the video. But before starting this video, guys, I request everybody to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos about Shiba Inu, guys. Because on this channel, you found every update about Shiba Inu, guys. So now the huge loss in the Shiba Inu coming soon, guys. You can see here, guys, if you look the price chart of Shiba Inu. So from yesterday, you can see the changes is positive. The price is in the pumping mode, but also you can see for some time you found a red candle. That's mean that Shiba Inu price going in the lows, guys. So guys, now possibilities, I'm not sure about that. Possibilities that, you know what, from yesterday Shiba Inu 700 positive trading volume. The trading volume increased very fastly. So that's only one reason. Short-term investor are doing very huge invest in Shiba Inu. That's why the price pumping very highly. So guys, possibilities that after one day pump more, Shiba Inu price becomes down. Why? Because short-term investor decide to sell. They take his profit, go away from the market. They decide to sell, and the price again becomes low, becomes negative. I'm not sure about that, but it's only my prediction about Shiba Inu. So how you can save yourself from these lows? Just active in the market, and when you understand that now the pumping is going very deep, so I suggest that sell now your Shiba Inu token and go away from a market. Hope you like this update video, guys. Be alert in the market and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more update videos.